Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a like, and also be sure to comment down below if you have any video suggestions or questions about anything that I'm going to be showing in the video. But today we are going to be doing something kind of exciting. I'm going to be unboxing a ring light slash I guess tripod situation. I will be unboxing it and we'll be testing it out. I also will do a test in front of natural light, and I'll do it without natural light. I'll show you how it works. I only paid I think $40 for it for the whole set, so it comes with both a tripod and a ring light, and it's from Amazon. And so let's get into the video. Alright, so like I said, today I'm going to be unboxing this. It's a ring light and tripod set that I got off of Amazon. So we're going to be unboxing that today, and we're going to be trying to see how it works. It's only a 6-inch ring light, so I know it's not going to be like extremely bright, but we're going to see how good it works and see if it's worth the money, because it's pretty cheap, but at the same time it's also $40, so we'll see. Alright, so let's go ahead and unbox this. This box came in. I don't know how to put it together. I don't think it comes with instructions from the reviews on it, so we'll see. Also, this is more for like, it says it's for like cooking or drawing videos, so I don't know how well it'll work if I do it to like face myself, because it's supposed to be for facing downwards videos like that. So I mean, I can still use it because I do have bullet journal videos on my YouTube, but I'm trying to see today. I'm gonna test both. I'll see how it works with like a downwards view, and I'll see how it works in terms of straight up and down. We'll see how all that situation goes. But like I said, this is from Amazon. I'll put the link down below for the thing, and I'll also put a picture right here for you to see what it looks like. And like I said, it was $40 on Amazon. So. Alright, so this is what it looks like. This is what the box that it came into, so let's just see. So, let me just take this over real quick. This is what it looks like. So yeah. Yes, it's supposed to have like little screws that you can screw in, so that way it'll come like tighten onto a surface. So I'm gonna hope that it hooks onto the window that I'm doing right now, that I'm filming on, but we'll see. But yes, it does come with like little like clamps that you can do in order to like attach it. So there's a lot of little pieces. Okay. Okay, so this is the ring light. It comes with like a little thing like this so that you can change the brightnesses on it, and a power button, and then it comes with a USB cord so that you can plug it into whatever box you want to plug it into. So yeah, that's this. This is the ring light. And then, like I said, it comes with two, I don't even know what you would call these, but like arms. So one's for the ring light, and then one is for your phone. So you can hook it up, like, you don't have to hook the ring light up and the phone at the same time. You can do like one or the other. But yeah, so there's two of these, and it comes with one each. So one's for your phone, I'm assuming this one, yeah. This one's for your phone, and then this one will be for the ring light. And then it's supposed to attach to a surface, so we'll check that out and stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and set this up real quick. This is going to be like a fast part of the video, but I'll just zoom through me, try to set this up if I can. We'll see. But I'm going to try to set this up, and then once I set it up, I will show you how it works with natural light, and then I'll close the window and we'll see how it works without natural light. So, and then we'll also look at my bullet journal and see how it works with that too as well. So stay tuned for all that so you can see. Like I said before, this is specifically for recording down video or doing things like cooking or drawing or your nails or something like that. That's what this is advertised as to be for. So we'll check it out. Hang on, I gotta go get help because I can't do this.
There's no instructions? What up?
Thank you. Okay, so I'm gonna have to grab my phone because these stick out a little further than I thought. Alright, so I have them set up like this right now. Alright, so we're gonna put my phone in it and then we're gonna test out the ring light and stuff like that. So stay tuned for that. Okay, so I have it in the ring stand now, or the stand that it goes in, and this is really good because like you can change it and you can change like the angle of it and stuff like that. So it's really good in terms of that. And then here's the ring light. They all come on like bendy arms, so you can change that and you can change like the angle that you want it to be. And it's pretty bright for a 6-inch light. So you can also change the brightnesses of it. So yeah, that's the orange one, and that's off. So yeah, like I said, there's no instructions for this, so it's kind of hard. I'll show you what it looks like on my face. So this is this one. This is off, and then with it on, that's like the warm color, and here's the other one. Yeah. So this is with natural light. So normally I would probably have it set up like this, something along the lines of this. So yeah, that's with natural light. This is what it looks like. I'm kind of far away from the window at the moment, so this is basically all the light is coming from the ring light itself. I'm going to go ahead and test it on my bullet journal as well, just to see how it works in terms of that, because that's what this ring light is really supposed to be for, and we'll see how that looks. Okay, so this is how I normally film it. This is what it looks like without light and just the natural light on it. And I'll show you what it looks like in terms of with the light on. Okay, so obviously you can see that it's much brighter with the light on, and yes. So this is what it looks like in terms of a bullet journal. Makes it a lot brighter and easier for you to see. And it's a lot easier for me to film too, so that I can use both my hands. But yes, so like I just did my May, that's what this is. But anyway, this is
supposed to be for filming downwards videos, like I've said. And so as you can see, it's really helpful for this in terms of seeing pages and stuff like that. And like I said, I'm using the ring light and some natural light coming from the window. So it's just a look at what it looks like this. So
Okay, now going to be a test in terms of without the natural light. So I'm going to see how it works without natural light. Okay, so here's how it works without the natural light. It is a little sunny outside still, but this will definitely be helpful in terms of when it's dark, and it kind of opens up the opportunity. You can film whenever you want to. And like I said, I only paid $40 for this ring light. Alright guys, well that concludes my video today, so if you have any questions or anything, just remember that I put the link down in the description box so you can find this exact set that I bought from Amazon. And if you have any other questions or anything, be sure to comment down below and let me know. And if you have any video suggestions or would like to see anything in specific, let me know as well in the comment section down below. Bye guys!